Hi, today I'm with me OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one by this way. And now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just hold and drag it. If you wanna just give a name or rename the folder, you should hold it and tap, open it and tap to the name and enter just a new one, for example the apps. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. If you wanna resize the folder, you should just hold it and tap here to enlarge folder. You could also make it smaller, just hold it, tap to shrink, or also you could just hold it, enlarge it, hold it and open it. By two ways you could open your folder. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen, just if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. If you want to remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll remove only the item. You will stay with all of the applications here in the apps menu. Also, you could remove folder, only the folder, and you will stay with these applications on your home screen. But also you could tap to only to remove icon, and you will remove any folder and all of your applications inside. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.